How to use technical indicators on Forex.com chart. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to use the technical indicators on the Forex.com chart, you can head over to any stocks, select the stocks that you are interested in. Once you are inside the stock space, you will see the chart like this. Now, in order to use the technical indicators, you need to go to the chart settings. Here at the bottom right, you can see this icon. Tap on this. Now scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see the more settings option. Now you will see a pop-up like this. You need to locate the indicators option. Scroll down, and here you can see indicators and financial option. Tap on the drop down beside it. Select if you want the name or the value for it. You can customize the indicators. You can change the period or look back period of the indicator. So you can adjust its sensitivity to price movements. You can even adjust the colors of the indicator's lines. Tap on this color option and select your preferred color. It will help you improve the visibility and distinguish them from other indicators. Once you are done making all the changes, you can save your customized indicator settings for your future use. Mastering the technical indicators takes time and practice, so you can experiment with different indicators, customize their settings, and observe how they perform in different market conditions. So that's how you can easily use technical indicators in Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.